Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you Nuwave oven baked honey garlic drumsticks with rice, sweet corn, and a roll on the side. Okay, so here's the rice I'm using today. I'm using some jasmine rice, and I already put that in here so I can go ahead and get that going. When you're making rice, you got to rinse it at least 3 or 4 times. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let that cook and get that going. Now this sweet corn right here, I'm just going to open that up and put it in the bowl and microwave it. I'm going to put that in the bowl. Hope you guys been safe out there. Okay, that's that. Take us some butter. Put a little butter and a little sugar in mine. I put maybe like a teaspoon of sugar in mine. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. Like a teaspoon of that. Really don't need to put it in there because it's already sweet enough to. So I'm going to go with like 2 tablespoons of butter. Put that in there. That's going to go in the microwave. We're not going to cook it right now because we're going to take some time to do this chicken. It's going to cook for probably about 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. So I'll just put that in the microwave. And I'll come back over here. I got 2 packages of SAZON that I'm going to use. That's that. I have my seasoning that I've made up. This particular one it was the salt and pepper one, but I put some onion powder and garlic powder and other different seasoning in here. So, but you can use this salt and pepper for yours. I'll put like a tablespoon of that in there. And yes, I'm using this right here. This came from the Dollar Tree. And that's turkey gravy. So we're going to move that stuff out of the way. We're just going to come in here and mix this stuff up. Alright. So that's how that looks. Wash my hands, trust and believe. And boy, I know what he's doing. Here's the Nuwave oven right here. Bring this around here. Alright. This is a standing ring. They got 2 of these right here too, so we're just gonna put them on here. Very healthy to get one of these, and I do have a store, Amazon store. You guys click on that, it's in the description. Help me out. That helps me for my channel, so I can buy other products and stuff for you guys. And not just that, because I'm doing all this for you guys pretty much. I cook anyway, but some stuff I can't afford, especially due to this crisis. And I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys just don't know. It started out as a hobby. My kids talked me into it. And then I kind of like it. I do like it, really. I like the feedback that you guys give me. You guys are awesome. And I'm not just talking mess either. I'm just telling you the truth. Okay, so this is that one. Like that. Take my bowl, I'm going to use this later to put that sauce on there. Just a little bit. Not getting wild or nothing like that with it. And we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes, guys. Okay? Alright, I'm going to put this over here. Just like that. Alright, put my extended ring back on here. Put this on there. Put it on. Alright guys, go ahead and take this over there and cook this for about a good 30 minutes. And we'll be good. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Trying to look for this cord back here. Alright. So, we got cook. 350 is as high as it go. Then we put a cook time. We're gonna put it on 30 minutes. And then start. That's it. Our rice is getting almost done. We'll go ahead and deal with that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I just want to show you the rice. I did wash it out about 3 to 4 times and stuff like that. Put my hand and washed it around up in there so I can get all that fog out of there. But after you do that, you just want to fill it up to about somewhere right up in there. You don't want too much. Whatever water that be left in there, I'll pour it out. But I'm gonna show you guys another video on how to make the perfect rice. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in a minute when all this stuff gets done. I'll see you guys then. Okay, guys. I am back. This chicken cooked for like approximately about 40 minutes. I just want mine a little bit more crispier. I took them off the top rack and put them all on the bottom rack. I'm just going to put them in this bowl. Just like that. Put some of this honey garlic on there. Okay. Just going to put some on these just in case they don't want none on there. So that's all I'm doing. Alright, just toss them around. All you doing. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going here. This is how they look right here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and plate this stuff up. Show you guys what I got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's the Nuwave baked honey garlic drumsticks with white rice and gravy and sweet corn with a roll on the side. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys make this. And please do tell all your friends and family to tune in to DOGG'S Kitchen, where we be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better. And make sure you guys please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen in a minute.